Well, several people in the last live stream requested that we do an unboxing video, and I just happened to have pressed the order button, I think that day. And so here we are with another unboxing video right from Reformation Heritage Books. So let's go ahead and cut it open and see what we've got here. And I actually don't remember. This is from one of their recent sales, so I just sort of added things to my cart that either had been interesting to me or that I thought they might not have after the sale. And that's what we ended up with for this order. So, let's see what's going on in here. Guess I need to remove this packing slip. All right. So first and foremost, we have Joel Beeke's new book that looks used for some reason. This is How to Lead Your Family, a guide for men wanting to be more. And I think this is blurry. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, something weird going on with the cover on this and a few of these other pages here. But I'll address that soon. But this is short and to the point, as the book suggests. All right, and then I went ahead and picked up another copy of this, and I actually have one sitting on my desk right over here. But this is Christian Constancy, the Consistency, the Formation of Character, by B.M. Palmer and E. Mannering, two separate books in one title, but put out by Sprinkle Publications. I have to back up, it's blurry. So, an excellent book, and they were on sale for $1 on the clearance rack there. And then I picked up a copy of the canon of the books of the Old Testament, or Old and New Testaments, proven to be inspired by Robert Halden, Esquire. Again, another Sprinkle Publications title that was on sale, I think, for $2 or something. And I bought another copy of the Christian Consistency, the Formation of Character. Again, they were like $1 a piece, so just went ahead and bought a couple of those. Those are really good. Then I have The Authority of God in 4 Discourses, also a Sprinkle Publication volume. I think this one was maybe $5 or something like that. So we'll get into that in a little bit here. The autobiography of the Reverend William J., which of course I have over here with my William J. collection, but it was also on the clearance rack. Wow, this is a much larger volume than I thought. This is The Life of Archibald Alexander, which we have somewhere in here, a book by him, correct? Yeah, somewhere in here. So that'll be an interesting read. Again, another Sprinkle Publications volume. Another copy, no, this is not another copy, it just has the same thing. This is The Justified Believer, which looks very, very similar to, actually it's identical to, the Dale on the Fathers. Beautiful, beautiful books. Again, that imprint. Is this green? That might actually be green. Let me put this under the light. It is. It's green. So it's not the exact same. What a beautiful, beautiful book. It has that embossing there or whatever, and then the gold leaf on top. Wow, that is really nice. Excellent. And then I think there's 1 or 2 more volumes here. One final Sprinkle Publications volume. This is Soul Prosperity, Its Nature, Its Fruits, and Its Culture by Charles Mallory. Again, another beautiful looking book. Can't tell what color this is either. Purple. Kind of hard to tell in this dark light, but a nice purple. And then one more volume, one that I already had and seem to have lost somehow. This is A Tender Lion, The Life, Ministry, and Message of J.C. Ryle by Bennett Rogers. One of my favorite biographies somehow or another I misplaced it and I can't find it anywhere. So it was on sale. Went ahead and bought another copy of this book. All right, well, in summary, here's the book haul today. We've got that new Beaky volume, several Sprinkle Publications books that were, again, on clearance that I was concerned wouldn't have another chance to buy. So very excited about that. And then a new copy of A Tender Lion, the Royal biography. Well, there you have it. That's all there is for this unboxing video. I'll spend the next several minutes putting these out on the shelves. That's all I have for you today. So Lord willing, I'll see you again very soon. God bless.